What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Cronos fam. I'm back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Crow right now down a bit, 5%, because Bitcoin decided to make a dump. Why did Bitcoin dump? I don't know, but it did. And now Crow is literally following Bitcoin to a T, making that retrace back down. So we'll see what happens with the markets, man. Bitcoin is just being super choppy. It's doing a lot of ups and downs, but I think we're just going to be ranging for a bit in the 22k to 25k 30k range. You know, that's the range that I see us being in for a bit, you know. And then after that we start to be bullish again, right? I think we're just going to be accumulating so Bitcoin could, you know, eventually decide when it's ready to pop, and then Crow will follow, right? So yeah, down a bit, that's okay. Nothing to worry about. I'm making this video, however, to talk about the huge partnerships and, you know, the huge news that happened for Crow recently, guys. Accelerator program has been ongoing, and they recently announced more projects for the accelerator program. This is great because it builds the Crow ecosystem. The Crow blockchain continues to develop and grow. Not only that, we have layer 2 scaling solutions, zero knowledge proofs coming to Crow as well, which will increase its transaction speed, its stability, and more projects could develop in the Crow ecosystem for GameFi projects, DeFi projects, NFTs, all types of different blockchain projects for Crow, which will then increase the amount of users, increase the amount of people using it, the mass adoption for it, which then puts it in the even higher ranks. It's rank 32 right now. Crow should be at like rank 5, rank 6, rank 3, you know, top 3, right? You know, honestly, top 3. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Crow. Maybe even surpass Ethereum, honestly, because Crow is doing so much for the space. Crypto.com is onboarding so many people. Bitcoin, Crow, that's how it should be, right? Honestly, now that I think about it, right? I like Ethereum a lot, though. So, you know, Ethereum is one of those alts, you know, I use a lot. But yeah, Crow is one of those ones. Should definitely be in the top 5 of crypto, not rank 32. It should be in the top 5, and that is a fact. And as the ecosystem and project develops, we'll see more and more growth for Crow, because the more projects that use its ecosystem, the more transactions happening on chain, the more development constantly, guys. We're gonna get into it with the you know, the news, and you know, right after, I just gotta let you guys know, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more updates, more content from my videos, guys. All of these videos, go support, go rewatch. 603 views for this video, 158 for this one. Come on, Crow fam, go support these videos for content creators so we could get the message out there to more and more people. If you can, guys, leave a super comment, you know, become a channel member for updates and shout outs in my future videos as well. I'm telling you guys, supporting content creators gets more and more information about the projects that you love out there, which then even helps the projects to grow more. That's just, you know, it's I don't know the term for it, but just know it's super beneficial when you support content creators, because more and more people learn about the projects that way. So right here we have from Cronos Chain, we're proud to present our third set of partners for the Cronos Accelerator program. Get to know the industry leading organizations who will help our Web3 team reach new heights. And let's take a look. Footprint Data. We're excited to partner with Footprint Analytics, a powerful analysis platform to uncover and visualize blockchain data. With Footprint Analytics, our Web3 teams will be able to gain insights and make informed decisions easily. Right there, we're thrilled to partner with Morales Web3, the leading Web3 API provider. With their cutting-edge technology, developers can streamline their projects by reducing development time, cost, and complexity. Now, honestly, I'm thinking about diving deep into all of these projects as well. Morales Web3, Covalent HQ, excited to have Covalent HQ as a partner, and EaseOX, head of ecosystem growth. Covalent HQ right here. As a mentor in our Cronos Accelerator program, Covalent's expertise in providing data visibility for billions of Web3 data points is a vital asset in supporting our Web3 teams. OX Paladin SEC. We're honored to have Paladin join our Cronos Accelerator program as a partner, bringing their expertise in smart contract auditing for DeFi protocols. So look at that. Projects for DeFi auditing, on-chain analysis, Web3 API providers, guys. All super bullish stuff. And from Creator DAO. We are happy to have Creator DAO in our partner in our Cronos Accelerator program as the world's first decentralized Web3 content marketing agency. Content marketing agency, ho ho ho! Sounds interesting for me. As a content creator, I might have to look into, I'm gonna check out all of these projects. I might have to dive deep into Creator DAO though. Brings a unique expertise in marketing and content creation to support our program teams. And that's all for the third installment of our Cronos Accelerator program highlights. As we can see right here, Crow man keeps building. Salvo.crow. Fire emojis. Watching Cronos grow is almost as pleasurable as watching my trial grow. I love this freaking chain. And when we have the full article right here, guys, this is all great. This is all great. Why you? Oh, so right here you can see why they. This is right here. You could see. My apologies. I'm mincing my words. You could see how to apply for the accelerator program. So projects that are a part of the accelerator program, right, get support from Crow to keep building and pushing forward, right? And then with new projects coming to the space, just like how I don't want to compare Crow to any other project, but if you look at Solana, for example, Solana had Alameda and FTX in their back pocket, and that's what blew the chain up so much. Top NFTs on Solana, top projects on Solana, and then there was so much transaction, so much growth and ecosystem development for it. With Crow, we could see that taking place, and we're in the baby phases of that, right? And if you compare Crow to Solana, we are much better blockchain, okay? Much better blockchain, much better project. It has one of the top centralized exchanges backing it, and it hasn't crashed in the bear market like FTX did, okay? So Crow, definitely one of those blockchains that is gonna level up and push to that next level, especially when they start to implement ZK technology. This is some bullish news for Crow, guys. This is super bullish. Okay, this is very, very bullish. I may even go and cover each of these accelerator program projects one by one in my future videos, guys. But yeah, Crow fam, let me know your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. Support by leaving a super comment, and you know, become a channel member if you can, guys, because it really helps to support the channel. I'll give you guys updates in my future updates for as far as my crypto journey early, and I'll also give you guys shout outs in future videos as well. Thanks so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.